Preliminary fuel tank pressurization started.
T-minus 1 minute on my mark. Mark.
Now under a minute from Antares liftoff from the Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia. All systems go, the range clear, everything looking good.
T-minus 30 seconds. Mark.
Now under 30 seconds, stand by for that first ignition. The two main engines on the first stage will be igniting.
T-minus 10 seconds.
CBC slew test initiated.
Mark.
And 10 seconds to launch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have ignition.
And we have liftoff of Antares for the Orb 2 mission from the Wallops Flight Facility, delivering Cygnus on its second commercial resupply service to the International Space Station.
Antares off the pad, the SS Janus Voss on its way with the Orbital 2 Science research supply mission to the International Space Station.
TVC nominal. Attitude is nominal during flyout. Core pressures are nominal in the commodity tanks. We're at 108% power. Throttle back to 104%, engines are nominal. Attitude is nominal. TVC performance is nominal.
Getting good first stage performance.
The Antares Orb 2 mission.
And the first stage will fire for just about 4 minutes into flight.
Attitude is nominal. Engines remain nominal. Power is nominal on our power buses, electrical power buses. Hydraulic TVC performance is good. We're at 20,000.
Two first stage engines firing successfully, carrying Antares through the clouds.
Attitude is nominal. Core pressures are nominal. We're adding helium into the ullage volume of the pressure in tanks to keep them up to pressure. Passing through max Q now. Attitude is nominal. Engine performance is nominal on the AJ26 engine. TVC performance is nominal.
Right now we're switching to a launch animation, the rocket itself lost in view through the clouds, continuing to perform nominally though, as expected.
Engine still at 100%. Engines are nominal.
Coming up on 2 minutes since launch.
We're 115 seconds into the mission. We're roughly 2 minutes from MECO. Core pressures are nominal.
MECO, the main engine cut off, the end of the stage 1 flight into orbit.
Attitude is nominal. Altitude is 100,000 feet. Engine performance is nominal.